Welcome back to the channel. If you're frustrated by stagnant views on your videos, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're uncovering 16 YouTube mistakes that kill your views. But don't worry, these surprising fixes are easier than you think. From jaw-dropping thumbnail blunders to crucial SEO missteps, we'll reveal what to avoid and how to transform your channel's performance. Stick around because these game-changing tips could make all the difference for your success. Let's dive in. But sometimes YouTube feels like a puzzle you just can't crack. You're putting in the hours, the passion, but the views are stuck. Well, even the biggest creators have made mistakes. We're giving you the secret sauce to turn those mistakes into massive wins. From titles that grab attention to thumbnails so clickable they break the internet. We'll even get into descriptions, tags, and making sure YouTube understands your masterpiece. Alright, first up, let's talk titles. You know those few words at the top of your video? They're your first impression, your one shot to convince someone to click play. Think of it like a giant billboard on the YouTube highway. A boring billboard? People drive right past. But something eye-catching? People slam on the brakes. So how do you make your titles pop? Get specific. What is your video actually about? Add some power words. Words that evoke emotion and make people need to know more. Alright, you've got a killer title, now you need a thumbnail that screams, "Watch me." Think of your thumbnail as the cover of a book or the poster for a movie. It's the visual hook that's going to make people stop scrolling and say, "What is this?" A bland, boring, or blurry thumbnail is like a giant skip button, but a well-designed thumbnail? That's your ticket to YouTube stardom. First things first, high resolution is key. No one wants to click on a pixelated mess. Make sure your thumbnail is clear, sharp, and visually appealing. Next, think about composition. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and eye-catching images that accurately represent your video's content. Remember, you've only got a split second to grab someone's attention, so make it count. Subtitles? That's extra work. But trust me, the payoff is huge. Subtitles make your videos accessible to a wider audience. Think about it. How many times have you watched a video with your phone on silent? YouTube's algorithm loves subtitles. Embrace subtitles and watch your views soar. Your video description is the unsung hero of your YouTube game. It's prime real estate to reel in viewers and boost your search rankings. Front-load that description. The first few lines are crucial. Use them wisely. Give a concise overview and highlight key points. Sprinkle in relevant keywords naturally and include calls to action. Use your description space strategically. Listen up because this is crucial. Consistency is the name of the game on YouTube. You can't just drop a video once a month and expect to build a massive following. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. YouTube's algorithm rewards consistency. Stay consistent, stay true to yourself, and watch your channel grow. You've put your heart and soul into your videos, now it's time to connect with the people who matter most, your viewers. Don't be a ghost in the YouTube machine. Engage with your audience, build that community, and show them you're more than just a talking head on a screen. First and foremost, respond to comments. I know it sounds simple, but you'd be surprised how many creators neglect this crucial step. Take the time to acknowledge your viewers, answer their questions, and show them you're listening. Even a simple thanks for watching can go a long way, but don't stop there. Ask your viewers questions in your videos, create polls, and encourage them to share their thoughts and ideas in the comments. Make it a two-way conversation, so engage with your audience, foster those relationships, and watch your channel thrive. Alright, let's talk strategy. You've got viewers hooked on your content, now it's time to keep them engaged and guide them to even more of your awesome videos. That's where cards and end screens come in. They're like the secret sauce to boosting your watch time and growing your channel. Think of cards as little pop-ups that appear during your video, offering viewers additional information, links to other videos, or even calls to action. Use them strategically to highlight important points, promote related content, or encourage viewers to subscribe. End screens, on the other hand, are your last chance to make an impression. Use them wisely and watch your views, subscribers, and overall engagement skyrocket. Let's get real for a second. Data can be intimidating, but trust me, when it comes to YouTube, your analytics are your best friend. They're not just random numbers, they're a goldmine of insights into what's working, what's not, and how you can take your channel to the next level. Think of your analytics as a treasure map guiding you towards YouTube gold. By diving into your watch time, audience retention, traffic sources, and more, you'll uncover valuable information about your viewers' preferences and behaviors. Don't be afraid to experiment, track your results, and use your analytics to make data-driven decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to YouTube, your analytics hold the key to unlocking your channel's full potential. Alright, let's talk branding. No, I'm not talking about burning your logo onto a piece of wood. I'm talking about creating a consistent and recognizable identity for your channel. Think of your brand as your YouTube personality, the vibe you give off, the feeling viewers get when they see your videos. A strong brand is crucial for attracting viewers, building trust, and standing out from the crowd. It's about creating a cohesive experience across all your platforms, from your YouTube channel art and thumbnails to your video intros and overall messaging. Consistency is key here. Choose a color scheme, font style, and overall aesthetic that aligns with your niche and stick with it. Remember, your brand is what sets you apart from the millions of other creators out there. Hold up. Before you hit that publish button, let's talk about your video description. I know, it's tempting to just slap a few words down there and call it a day. But trust me, your description is prime real estate for boosting your visibility, engaging viewers, and driving traffic to your other platforms. Think of your description as a mini sales pitch for your video. It's your chance to expand on your title, provide context, and highlight key takeaways. Use it to pique viewers' interest, give them a sneak peek of what's to come, and leave them wanting more. Sprinkle relevant keywords throughout your description to help YouTube understand what your video is all about, and rank it higher in search results. Make the most of that valuable space. Alright, let's talk about categories and tags. No, these aren't just random boxes to check off when uploading your video. They're essential tools for helping YouTube understand your content and connect it with the right audience. Think of categories as broad buckets that group similar videos together. Choosing the right category ensures your video shows up in the right playlists and search results, putting it in front of viewers who are already interested in your niche. Tags, on the other hand, are like keywords that provide more specific information about your video's content. Use a mix of broad and specific tags to target different search terms and reach a wider audience. Focus on using accurate and relevant tags that accurately reflect your video's content. Use them wisely, and watch your views soar. You've got viewers hooked, now what? Don't leave them hanging. A clear call to action is crucial for driving engagement and boosting subscribers. Ask viewers to like, comment, or subscribe, or check out your other videos. Be clear, concise, and irresistible. Use strong verbs and create urgency. Offer something valuable in return. Ask for what you want, and watch your engagement soar. Alright, let's talk tech for a minute. Encoding and formatting your videos correctly can make a world of difference in video quality and viewer experience. Have you ever clicked on a video only to be met with blurry footage or choppy playback? That's often a result of poor encoding and formatting. Encoding compresses your video file, while formatting involves choosing the right resolution and settings. Get these right, and your videos will look and sound their best across devices. First impressions matter. On YouTube, your intro is your chance to make a killer one. Those first few seconds are crucial for grabbing attention and setting the tone. Think of your intro as a mini trailer, engaging and informative. Start with a bang, use eye-catching visuals or a compelling hook. Keep it concise and highlight the value proposition. Alright, let's talk accessibility. Adding subtitles, translations, and closed captions is a game changer. It expands your reach and makes your content accessible globally. Billions speak different languages or have hearing impairments. YouTube's algorithm loves accessibility features, so make the effort, add those subtitles, translations, and closed captions. Let's get real for a minute. Creating content can be draining, it's demanding, it's time-consuming, and it can take a toll on your mental and physical health if you're not careful. Burnout is a real thing, and it can sneak up on you when you least expect it. Symptoms can include exhaustion, lack of motivation, creative blocks, and even physical ailments. If you're feeling burnt out, it's important to take a step back, recharge your batteries, and prioritize your well-being. Take breaks. I know it's tempting to grind 24/7, but your body and mind need rest. Engage in activities you enjoy, whether it's spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or simply relaxing. Make time for things that bring you joy and help you de-stress. Remember, your health and well-being are more important than any video or social media post. 16 common YouTube mistakes that could be sabotaging your channel's success, and Mr. Beast approved strategies to crush them. Building a thriving YouTube channel takes time, effort, and hustle. Avoid these pitfalls and implement our tips for YouTube stardom. Craft killer titles, engage with your audience, and optimize for search. Experiment, analyze, and constantly improve your content. Have fun, share your passions, and build a community. Create awesome content and show the world what you've got. Smash that like button, subscribe, and make your YouTube dreams a reality.